In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AI agents on Wix 2026, step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right agent, configure its behavior, test it confidently, and keep improving it over time so it truly supports your business. Start by accessing the AI agent menu. Log into your Wix account and select the website you want to work on from your dashboard. This ensures you're editing the correct site if you manage more than one. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click AI agents. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu or check that you're in the correct site workspace. Give the page a moment to load. This is where all your agent settings will live. Next, choose the agent type that best fits your immediate needs. The marketing agent focuses on outreach, like social media promotions, email campaigns, and proactive customer engagement. The front desk agent acts like a virtual receptionist, handling FAQs and guiding visitors to the right pages. If you have a specialized workflow in mind, pick the custom agent to build from scratch. A good rule of thumb: start with the one that solves your most urgent task, then expand later. If you went with a custom agent, configure its behavior and voice. Set the brand voice so it matches your style: professional, witty, or strictly technical. Consistency here builds trust. Add a knowledge base by uploading key documents or linking to specific pages so the agent answers with accurate, current information. Finally, define escalation rules so the AI knows exactly when to hand off to a human, such as on complex, high-value, or sensitive requests. Clear thresholds prevent confusion and keep response quality high. Now set up greetings and responses. Write a friendly, on-brand greeting that appears when visitors open the chat, briefly explaining how the agent can help. Then add your common questions, the ones you hear most often, so the agent can respond instantly. Keep answers short, accurate, and linked to helpful pages when relevant, and review them periodically as your site or offers change. Before going live, test and activate. Use the preview window to run through typical scenarios and a few curveballs. Check tone, accuracy, and link behavior. If something feels off, adjust your content or rules and preview again. When you're satisfied, click Save and Activate. Finally, monitor and refine. In your dashboard, open AI Agent Analytics to see what's being resolved and where the agent struggles. Schedule regular check-ins, update the knowledge base, and refine responses based on real conversations. That continuous loop will keep your agent sharp and your visitors happy. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.